Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to tell you what to do if your auto brightness is not working in your Xiaomi REDMI Note 15 5G. Auto brightness is actually a very useful option, and to fix this issue that it doesn't work, we're going to start with opening the settings and going to the display and brightness section over here. So at first try to have this option restarted. So enable and disable this option a couple of times. After this thing, you can just, for example, disable this option, lower the brightness to the minimum, and enable this option and check if it will help you. If it does help you, that's nice, but if it doesn't, we need to move to the next thing. The next thing that is recommended to do is to get yourself a microfiber, maybe not microfibers, maybe a soft cloth. I do have here my microfiber one, but if you don't have microfiber, you can just use any, and wipe here the top of the phone. We need to clean the ambient light sensor near the front camera or just the front camera, because sometimes here we do have the ambient light sensor, sometimes here. And now we can check if it works. As you can see, it does. If it does work in your device too, you can now leave a comment, like, and subscribe. But if it doesn't, what I do recommend doing is to restart the device to refresh any sensors. Hold the power button and volume up, and move this white circle to the reboot at the bottom of over here. Now we need to wait a couple of minutes, for example 2-3 minutes, maybe not 2 to 3, but it depends of course on the phone performance, but we just have to wait until the phone turns on back again. Now as you can see, our device is turned on, and we can check if this option works. Open settings, back again, display and brightness, back again, just setting with the brightness, disable enable option. This should work for you. If it still doesn't, you need to go back, go here to the about phone section, tap here in the background. You should see if you do have any updates available. If you do have any software updates available, update your phone immediately, because here you may have some quick fix for the auto brightness that sometimes Xiaomi releases, or maybe not Xiaomi, but every single company fixes their bugs, but you know what I mean. If you don't have any updates, you have to actually contact device support, because your ambient light sensor may be just broken and you need either have it replaced, sell new camera module, or just they will give you a new device. Of course it depends, they'll try to fix it, I guess, but yeah. If you do have still warranty, they will do it for you for free, but if you don't, you have to pay for that. And that's it. Hope it helps you, and have a nice day. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section down below. Goodbye.